is a Brunnera, Queen of Hearts, and I'll show you what it looks like so far. So far, I see some new growth coming in right there. So I'm just gonna clean out all of the leaves, like all the other plants, and see if we have anything more. These are last year's leaves. Kind of fuzzy. There's last year's stem. Just gonna cut it all the way down. All the leaves just easily come away. And that's it. All the new little leaves are fuzzy. And once the flowers grow in, they're like forget-me-nots. Actually, there's a new leaf right there. Hoping it spreads.